Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick and easy pom pom without using anything but my hand and these freaking scissors. And of course you need yarn. Okay guys, take your yarn and wrap it around your hand like this. You're going to need a lot, guys. A lot. Did I say we're going to need a lot? Yes. La, 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 la. It would help if it wasn't all tangled. Okay guys, I'm stopping at this much. I don't even know how many loops, but y'all see this is a nice amount, guys. So once you get to your stopping place, put it right there, cut your string. That's a nice length. Might be too long, but just a nice string. Beep, beep, beep. Move the Jones over, and then you're gonna take it off your hand. Ouch! And then you're gonna take your string, because if you don't have anybody to help you, it's still doable, guys. And just put it in the center. Real tight. Tight, tight, tight. I always like to put like a little knot in that Jones. Make sure you don't get it in there. And I like to flip that Jones over. And tie that Jones tight again. Because you don't want it coming loose tight. And I'll do another knot. Because why? I don't play, people. I don't play with ya. Boom. Did that make a knot? I think it played me. I'm going to do another knot because I don't think that was a knot. Boom. And so that's what you got. And that's how it looked. So then you're going to take your loops, separate that thing, put your scissors through this loop. And try to collect all of them at once till you get to the other end. You may not get all your loops, but don't even worry about it because you will still cut them Jones. So, see, get all the way through. Boom. Cut that mug at the top. And if you see some more loops like right here, you just cut that bad boy. And make sure all your loops are cut. Oop. And then you do the same thing on this side. I cut both sides. And you fluff it out. Fluff it out. Now, you can stop at this point if you like that straight look like that. But I like it to be a little bit more uniform. So these are the piece. This is the string that I used to tie it. So I'm just going to hold that. And then trim this bad boy up till you get the fluffiness that you want. These scissors suck, but you get the gist. I'm jacking this mug all the way up, dude. I ain't finna lie to y'all. And this just causes it to go thicker and fluffier. And it's also based on the yarn that you use, guys, too. So I'm going to finish trimming this up. And I'll come back with the finished pom pom. It's already looking better. A little tip. I'm still holding on to this string that we used to tie with. I gathered it all together like this. And I found it easier to just cut it like that. Now these scissors still are horrible and are not cutting the best, but I wanted to show y'all that. And so once you get it to that, and then fluff it out. Booyah! And just cut to your desire, guys. I'm sorry my scissors are not giving me the love I need. But y'all see the results. I think it's so freaking cute. Quick and easy Pom Pom, guys. Easy. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday. Oh my God, y'all. I think it is too cute. Cute.